Sila Kasbos. There you go. Palakpakan po natin sila Kas. Ayan, okay. Previewing muna tayo kay Kas ngayong umaga po. At sa mga bisita natin na gustong mag-take ng pictures and videos, double check your cameras lang pa. As I said kanina, our animals are light sensitive. Okay, now once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle, with the scientific name of Haliatus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. Now, the white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near of coastal area of Australia, India, and here in the Philippines. Now, the white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.0 feet. So ganyan po kalapad yung kanilang mga pagpak, lalong-lalo na pag nasa adult size na si Lakas po. Now, Lakas here is a bird of prey or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po,